Good afternoon. My name is Luis de Jesus, and I'm a patient of Dr. Davis Podiatry Center. Let me tell you, the experience I had here was unbelievable. I had Guillain-Barré, and I was paralyzed from the neck down for over 2 years. I came here because I didn't feel my legs. One of my toes is completely dead. So Dr. Davis had been treating me, and the results had been amazing. First of all, she has her own operating room downstairs, which is very comfortable, super clean. The staff is beyond comprehension of they please you in every way, shape, or form. And her capabilities as a surgeon, they're amazing. I would recommend Dr. Davis to anybody, and I will put her on top of any other doctor. The way she treated me, at least, and the way that she treated my toe now, before I had no sense whatsoever. I didn't realize that my leg from my knees down exists. Now I have feeling. I touch my toe and it's feeling. My toe was completely dead like that, and now it's up. Thanks to Dr. Davis. I have a lot to appreciate from her because she's the very best.